What you see here is the Park Martin Muniz. This is typically where drug dealers hang out. Now you have like a group of tourists, and I show you now why they're gonna be very angry with me in a few seconds, because all these birds will come now only because I do this. Wait. All of them. Here you can see them flying in. All of them. Do you see that? Do you see that? Is that magic or what is this? All of the birds of the entire park are flying in here. Only because I did a whistle. Share that and love that.